Welcome! In this tutorial you will learn to create suspense. Writing for suspense means crafting your story in a way that makes your readers feel excited, curious, and a little bit scared. It should be like going on an adventure where you don't know what's going to happen next. You want to keep your readers on the edge of their seats. You want their hearts pounding, their knees shaking, and their breathing quickening. So how do we achieve this? In this tutorial, you will create suspense by using short sentences. Short sentences make your readers feel like the action you are writing about is happening really quickly. This gives them the feeling of a sense of pace and urgency, which of course makes your writing more exciting to read. Have a listen to this paragraph. At the bend ahead, the robber vanished, so the policeman immediately gave chase, his knees pumping frantically. Turning the corner, he saw the thief bursting through the crowded street, causing people to scatter in all directions. The policeman leapt over a barrier and onto the road, dodging the traffic, and was soon closing the gap on the elusive figure. The robber glanced back, his eyes widening in sheer panic. The policeman's boots pounded the pavement with a thunderous rhythm, propelling him closer and closer to his prey. It's well written. It's grammatically correct. The vocabulary is well chosen, and the scene has been described in detail. But those sentences are too long for the reader to feel the pace of the action. Let's rewrite it with short sentences. At the bend ahead, the robber vanished. Immediately, the policeman gave chase. Turning the corner, he saw the thief bursting through the crowded street. People scattered. The policeman followed, leaping over a barrier and onto the road. Dodging the traffic, he closed the gap. The robber glanced back. His eyes widened in panic. The policeman's boots pounded the pavement. He got closer and closer, within grabbing distance of his prey. This paragraph feels far more fast-paced. All these short sentences create a sense of speed and intensity, making it more exciting to read. It's like you're running alongside the policeman, feeling the thrill of the chase. Cautiously, he assessed the intricate wiring. Time ticked, sweat dripped, and finally, his cutters snipped. A sigh of relief escaped his lips. But wait, another wire remained. Heart pounding, he deliberated. The yellow wire or black? Yellow, he decided. Snip. Silence engulfed the room. Success. This time, the short sentences create a sense of tension and urgency. It makes you feel nervous. It makes you feel that time is running out. So, in a nutshell, if you're describing quick, exciting, or urgent events, use short sentences. They will create suspense and captivate your reader.